Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Birdeye for Google Review Request Automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Birdeye for Google Review Request Automation, first, navigate to the Birdeye website. Once there, look for the Get Started option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in the required fields, including your business name, address, and contact information. After submitting your details, create an account by providing your email and setting a password. Check your email for a verification message from Birdeye. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Next, log into your newly created Birdeye account. Upon logging in, you will see a dashboard with various options. Locate the Google Reviews section and select it. If prompted, connect your Google My Business account. Birdeye will guide you through the authorization process. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant access to your Google account. Once connected, you can customize your review request settings. Choose how you want to send reviews, either via text or email. Set the frequency for sending out review requests. You may also set conditions for automatic follow-ups. After configuring your settings, save your changes. To test the setup, send a review request to yourself or a colleague. Confirm that the request is received successfully. Monitor the dashboard for incoming reviews to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You can make adjustments as needed based on the feedback you receive. Lastly, explore additional features offered by Birdeye for maximizing your review strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.